how to allow or approve all permissions in Codex so that it doesn't ask you repeatedly about file edits, shell commands, network access, and all of that stuff. Mode or adjust the approval sandbox configuration. So first you can open up the terminal or the CLI using PowerShell, or you can open up the terminal inside the app here, and you can type Codex. So it's Codex space dash dash full auto and press enter. Or you can toggle it inside a specific session by typing /mode and then full auto, like this, which basically lets Codex read, write, and execute local actions in a sandbox without approval prompts. You can also directly edit the config file, so just right click on the start button, run, and then %sign user profile %sign, press OK. And inside this folder, look for .codex, open it up, and then find config.toml file, right click on it and edit with a text editor. And then you can basically explicitly set these in the config. So you want to basically type sandbox mode equals danger full access and approval policy equals never. You should put them under the Windows category. And then you'll need to save this and restart the Codex app or the CLI. Just keep in mind that this is risky to give full access to system files and commands. You should only use this if you trust the agent. And if you're using the GUI or the desktop app of Codex, you can also go to settings and then settings. And from here, go to configuration. And in here, you should find the approval policy and the sandbox settings. You can switch it from on request to never, or on failure or untrusted. And the sandbox settings, you can also switch it to full access, depending on what you need. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you on the next one.